historical, less, alternate. There are many English words which are being misunderstood nowadays. So in this video I'll tell you 10 most misunderstood words in English. So make sure you watch this video till then, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it right now and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any update from me. So let's begin. Number 1. Historical. We usually think it means historic, which means things having great and lasting importance, but it actually means connected with the past or with the study of history. For example, I expect to see lots of historical artifacts in this museum. Number 2. Novel. We usually think it means any book, but it actually means a book that is a work of fiction or a long story book, usually filled with imaginary characters and events. For example, I prefer reading short stories to novels before going to sleep. Number 3. Less. We usually think it means fewer, but it actually means a smaller amount of uncountable nouns. Fewer is used for countable nouns. For example, if I were you, I would spend less time on computer games. Let's see one more example to understand this word better. I think grandfathers should smoke fewer cigarettes and drink less wine. Fewer is used for cigarettes because cigarettes are countable, and less is used for wine because wine is uncountable. Next word, number 4, continual. We usually think it means with no interruptions, but it actually means duration over a long period of time, not necessarily without interruption. For example, mother dried and kept the flowers as a continual reminder of her daughter's happy wedding. Number 5. Infamous. We usually think it means famous, but it actually means having an extremely bad reputation or well known for being bad or evil. For example, the film industry is infamous for stealing money from actors. Number 6. Systematic. We usually think it means systemic, pertaining to or affecting the body as a whole, but it actually means involving a method, system, or plan in a thorough and efficient way. For example, we should try to solve the problem with a systematic approach. Number 7. Proscribe. We usually think it means prescribe to order the use of something, such as medication, but it actually means to denounce, to banish, or state that something is banned. For example, many organizations involved in terrorism have been proscribed this year. Moving on to our next word, number 8, penultimate. We usually think it means above, beyond, or better than ultimate, but it actually means next to the last or immediately before the last one. For example, in a good crime story, you can't tell who the murderer is until the penultimate or last chapter of the book. Number 9. Precocious. We usually think it means cautious or misbehaving, but it actually means unusually advanced in development with particular abilities and behavior at a much younger age than usual. For example, my younger sister was a precocious child who could read and write before she went to school. Number 10 and the last one, alternate. We usually think it means alternative, but it actually means to interchange successively or regularly, or to follow one after the other in a repeated pattern. For example, the poem alternates between happiness and despair. So guys, these were the 10 most misunderstood words in English. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give a big thumbs up to this video. And if you want me to make more such videos, then please let me know in the comment section. And do follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.